Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by opening Ibispaint X and creating a square canvas. This preserves QR readability. Once done, import or paste your QR image as a new layer. Keep it at high contrast so scanners can read it. Make sure the canvas size is large enough, for example 2048 x 2048, and lock background layers to avoid accidental edits. You're doing this because QR codes rely on precise square modules. Preserving ratio and contrast ensures the code remains scannable. Next, you blend the QR into your design while protecting its structure. Use transform to position and scale. Hold aspect ratio so modules stay square. Once placed, add a clipping mask for stylistic fills and use blending modes sparingly. You want contrast preserved. Carefully edit only decorative areas. Never alter the central module grid or the quiet zone margin. By masking rather than erasing, you can revert edits quickly, which is why non-destructive techniques are recommended. Finish by exporting the image as PNG to avoid compression blur. Save at the canvas resolution. Then, test the code. Scan with at least 2 different apps or devices because camera algorithms vary. If the QR fails, restore the quiet zone, increase black/white contrast, or upsample the image and re-export. One key troubleshooting tip: if edits broke scanning, revert to the original QR layer and rebuild decorative elements using masks. This preserves the readable grid while allowing visual customization.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.